I tested one of the most data-driven AI fitness apps in the world to see if it could outprogram a personal trainer. FitnessAI claims its artificial intelligence analyzes millions of workouts to optimize strength workout programs. But here's the real question. Can an AI workout app that runs purely on data understand your body? But there's one key difference that this app does versus the app I reviewed in my last video, Fitbod, that completely changes everything. Welcome to FitVolt AI, where I've been a personal trainer for over 20 years. On this channel, I review FitnessAI apps and FitnessAI products to see whether the technology that they claim stands up in the real world. Every AI app that I review must pass these 5 tests. FitnessAI is an AI-powered strength training app focused almost entirely on progressive overload. It doesn't try to be flashy, it doesn't focus on recovery maps like Fitbod, it focuses on one thing: statistical progression. FitnessAI claims it analyzes millions of its users' data points to optimize the best weight increases for the users' programs. And that's a pretty bold claim. After opening the app on your smartphone and locating the FitnessAI app, once open, the setup took around 5 to 7 minutes. You input your strength levels, you select available equipment, you define your training goal. Then the AI generates your first strength training workout. This is where you immediately feel the difference between this app and Fitbod. Fitbod adapts around muscle recovery. FitnessAI adapts around numbers. And this brings me to my 5-point test that I put every FitnessAI app through. And this is question 1. Is this app beginner friendly? I would say mostly. The interface is clean, but it assumes you understand gym basics. There are demonstration videos, but just like Fitbod, there are no audio coaching cues. And for a complete beginner, this feels more like a program generator than a coach. Moving straight on to test number 2, does this app save time? Yes. This is where AI fitness apps absolutely shine. You just open the app, the workout is built, the weights are pre-calculated. You log your data, it adjusts. No guesswork, no spreadsheets. For busy professionals, this is perfect. Okay, on to question 3. Is this fitness app smarter than a YouTube video? Absolutely. And here's why. YouTube workouts are static. FitnessAI adapts every session based on performance data, but it still doesn't know if your shoulder feels unstable. It doesn't know your sleep quality. It doesn't know your life stresses. That's where AI still stops. All right, on to test 4. Will this app progress you? Yes, if your goal is strength. This app is obsessed with progressive overload. For intermediate lifters, that's gold. But advanced lifters looking for periodization complexity, you might just hit a ceiling. All right, on to test number 5. Is FitnessAI worth paying for? It really comes down to who you are. FitnessAI in Australia costs approximately $29.99 per month. If you're serious about strength training and want structured progression, it's worth considering. If you need coaching cues, accountability, and form correction from a trainer, it's not a replacement for a human. And guys, the difference between this app, FitnessAI, versus Fitbod, which was in my last video, Fitbod feels flexible, FitnessAI feels calculated. Fitbod adapts to recovery, FitnessAI adapts to statistical progression. If you want adaptability, go with Fitbod. If you want strict data-driven strength progression, I would go with FitnessAI. And from my personal experience using FitnessAI and Fitbod, FitnessAI just feels so much better to use. It feels friendly. It feels almost fun to use. Fitbod did not have that feeling. And just like Fitbod, there's no audio coaching. There's no audio cues. There's no form correction. AI can generate a workout, but it can't see you. That's the difference between programming and coaching. And here's a little example of how it can see you, but to be honest, it was just too frustrating to use. Even though I said it can't see you, FitnessAI does an analysis of your body through the camera. But as you can see from this, My wife and I tried to make it work, and 2 adults found it very frustrating to try to line up the camera so it would pick up my body. Then I was standing in the hallway and it wanted me to lift my left arm, but I couldn't because the hallway was tight. So the whole thing felt really hard and not very user-friendly. You could try to rest it on a table in your room, but you'd have to walk forwards and backwards trying to correct the camera so it captures your body the way it wants. This just didn't feel good, so I ended up not using it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, big drum roll. Here's my final verdict. Is FitnessAI beginner friendly? I would say mostly. Does FitnessAI save you time? Yes. Is FitnessAI smarter than a YouTube workout? Yep. Does FitnessAI progress you? Yes. And is FitnessAI worth paying for? Maybe if you're after strength only. If you care about fitness, strength, muscle building, flexibility, all of the above, and you're interested in where AI is going to be taking you in the next year to 5, 10 years, subscribe now. This is FitVolt AI.